green juice, but not the kind you're thinking of. Are you one of those people who, the moment they hear green juice, imagine a bitter, nose-pinching, force-it-down kind of drink? Well, not today, because we're not making your average green juice. We're making something truly refreshing. I like to call it glorious green juice. Yes, this is a green juice that actually tastes delicious. No holding your nose required. With just 1 glass of this vibrant juice, you're giving your body a full dose of vitamins and minerals from multiple vegetables, all in one go. Let's take a look at what you need. 1 green apple for sweetness and fiber. 1 cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. 1 bunch of spinach, packed with iron and folate. A small piece of fresh ginger for that little zing and digestive boost. And a few fresh mint leaves to cool and balance the flavors. That's it. Just roughly chop everything so your blender can handle it easily. Now, this is a basic version, but you can totally make it your own by adding kale, other leafy greens, a bit of carrot, some fresh orange, or even coconut water for a tropical twist. The beauty of green juice is how easily you can adapt it to your taste and health goals. Swap apple for pineapple if you like it sweeter, or add celery and parsley for a stronger detox effect. It's your juice, your rules, and every sip is a step toward better health. This healthy green juice recipe uses just 5 ingredients and takes about 15 minutes to prepare. A quick tip: the 80-20 rule. When making any juice, try to follow the 80-20 principle. 80% vegetables and 20% fruits. Juices with more fruit are great for those who want to gain weight, but if you're aiming to lose or maintain your weight, then sticking to the 80-20 rule is best. Here's a quick tip for blending. Always add the cucumber and apple first. They're full of water and will help your blender run smoothly without needing extra liquid. Once those are in, toss in your spinach, ginger, and mint. Now blend everything until smooth. And once that's done, go ahead and strain the juice using a fine strainer or a nut milk bag if you have one. And don't throw away that leftover pulp. It's full of fiber and flavor. I made a simple green soup with it, but you can also use it in a stew, flatbread dough, or even add it to pancakes for a nutritious boost. Before serving, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. This one step instantly lifts the flavors and adds a touch of brightness. And there you go. Your glorious green juice is ready to enjoy. Vibrant, cooling, and energizing. You don't need a fancy juicer to enjoy this kind of freshness. This recipe is quick, easy, and takes just 15 minutes to prep. Personally, I've been drinking this green juice first thing in the morning for a few days now. And the difference? I feel more awake, more energetic, and I've even stopped reaching for my afternoon coffee. It's that effective. If you have a medical condition or are on medication, do check with your doctor before making green juice a regular part of your routine. Everyone's body is different, so listen to yours if you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rach-Cooking for more vibrant, healthy, and delicious ideas. I'll see you next time with another exciting recipe.